Yo, what's happening, people? Day 52. Dispatch today. Let's go.
Okay, so I know when I'm dispatching, a lot of people call saying they have no access due to whatever the problem is. But are you guys doing the compliance for text call? A lot of people, when I say, did you guys text on arrival? They say no, they straight call and then they question mark it. Before you guys go to your guys' next stop, already hit the question mark, notify that you're arriving before you even go to their stop. By the time you get there, if there's a problem, you can straight call. If they don't answer, then you can unable to deliver for whatever reason. And then that's how you guys get your guys points towards you for doing it the correct way.
So we stay here at Mauna Loa shopping center. I love it. I'm heading to a Ruby Tuesday. Got a package to drop. Woo! New dollies for the team Baba. Sample these new ones. See how they go. I think they're gonna be good. They look good. So what I'm doing up here is doing some photos for the vehicles that we have on hand for Baba Transportation. In the meantime, enjoy this video.